Hi, I'm Tricia Neely. I'm with Texas Shore Property Team and UTR Texas Realtors. I'm here with Lynn Riddle with Stewart Title. She's the Business Development Manager. Lynn is going to sit down with us today and discuss some of the finer details of title, how title works for you and so forth. But to start off with, Lynn, do you mind telling me a little bit about yourself as well as Stewart Title?
Sure, absolutely.
Okay.
So I joined Stewart Title about a year ago after a long career in home warranty, and prior to that I did a little stint in mortgage, so decided I'd try the title side out. So my team is located at Stewart Title Champions, and we are just west of Champions Forest Boulevard on Luetta Road. I have a team of 4 escrow officers and 4 assistants. There are 9 of us all together, including me. And my office has been together for about 15 years. Our commercial closer, Dana, has been with Stewart Title for 29 years.
Wow.
And I always like to share the fact that she actually trained our CEO, Matt Morris.
Oh.
So we have a very experienced team that's available to help with every part of the real estate transaction.
Oh, very nice, very nice. Well, you know, commonly when we're talking about title, we hear a lot of different terms. Some of these terms can be very confusing to first-time home buyers, and heck, even if you've bought a house before and it's been a little while. I'd kind of like to go over some of those terms and clarify some of that if we could. So let's just start off with, what is a title?
So a title basically is just telling you that the owner of a property has lawful possession of it. Okay. So
what is title insurance?
Title insurance protects the homeowner and the lender from any past indemnities. So things that can cloud title, or anything that can come and lay stake or claim to a property that is yours.
Kind of like if someone were to have a lien on a property?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yes. So
okay.
it could be a prior lien. It could be wrongly recorded documents. It could be forged signatures. It could be unknown errors. So all of these types of things can come up in the past and lay claim to a property. So title insurance protects you against that.
Oh, very good. Okay. And so I guess that kind of goes into my next step of, how does title insurance differ from other types of insurance?
Okay. So hazard insurance or health insurance will protect you against future loss or future damage, whereas title insurance protects an owner or a lender from past indemnities. So things that may come up in the chain of ownership of a property that you may not know about. These things can come and lay claim or stake an interest in a property, and title insurance will protect you against that.
Oh, very good. Very important.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So what all does that title insurance policy cover?
Those types of things.
Okay.
So the big thing about title insurance is to basically, you don't want to have a claim. So what a title company does with their plant is they go through all of the past records, they look at all the previous owners, and they look at everything on the chain of title, like prior liens to properties, wrong surveys, different encumbrances, and that's what we do. We try to get all of those things cleared so that we can issue a policy and so that there won't be a claim.
Gotcha.
But no matter how much research is done, there are just things in the past sometimes that you can't uncover until they happen. So that's what title insurance is for.
Perfect. And so who would you say needs to have title insurance?
Okay. Well, title insurance definitely is needed for the new homeowner or the buyer, as well as the lender. They require title insurance also. But if you think about it, the seller also benefits too.
Okay.
Because title insurance covers you for the amount of time that you or your heirs have ownership in a property.
Oh, very nice. Okay. So here's another fun term. What is escrow? You hear people saying, I'm in escrow.
Yeah.
What is escrow?
Basically, escrow is whenever the funds of a transaction is held by a third party, usually a title company or an attorney, until all aspects of the transaction are met.
Gotcha. Okay. And one last question about title insurance. What are the types of title insurance?
Okay. There are two types.
Okay.
There is the owner's policy that covers the buyer or the new owner, and then there's the lender's policy that
Okay.
obviously covers the lender's interest or the loan, the stake that they have in the property.
Okay. Okay. Well, Lynn, thank you so much for clarifying some of this for us. So if someone has additional questions, what's the best way for someone to reach out to you?
You can reach us at Stewart Title Champions. You can reach me personally on my cell phone, and that is 346-225-7993. You can always look up any one of our branches online at www.stewart.com/Houston. We have over 32 locations. I would love to serve you here at my location in Champions, but I work with an excellent company that has we have awesome teams all over Houston. So any one of us would be happy to help you.
Wonderful. Well, thank you, Lynn, again for sitting down with us today. And if you have any additional questions that you'd like to reach out and ask an agent, please contact us on our website at www.texasshoreproperties.com. Thank you for coming and listening to us today.